Hello kids, today we are going to start with vegetables name. Pink, dark blue, blue, red, purple, brown, yellow, orange. Let's get started. First you can see this is a fruit. Which fruit? A pear. First we will color all the fruits. Strawberry. This is also a strawberry. This is an orange. This is a pear. Again. This is a chiku. Now we will cover all the vegetables. This is a celery. This is a carrot. This is a broccoli.
Hickory dickory dock,
This is
mouse
a
ran
chiku.
up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran round. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
This is again a chiku.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two.
This is a
Away
brinjal.
she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
What is brinjal color? Any guesses? Yes, it is purple. You're right.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
This is a broccoli.
Diddly-dee.
Broccoli is green.
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
This is a celery. This is a lettuce.
The bear sat
Lettuce
by
is
the
also
fire.
green
The
color.
clock struck four. He ran out the door.
And we have this
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
apple.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five.
All the colorful
She went to her
fruits
house.
and vegetables.